To view your payment history on Kajabi, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform to access your financial records easily. Step 1. Log into your Kajabi account. Start by visiting the Kajabi website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you have access to the account associated with the payment history you want to view. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Kajabi dashboard. This is the main area where you can access various features and settings related to your account. Step 3. Access the sales section. On the left-hand menu, find and click on the sales option. This section contains all the financial information related to your products and services. Step 4. Click on transactions. Within the sales section, look for the transactions tab. Clicking on this will take you to a detailed list of all your payment transactions, including sales and refunds. Step 5. Review your payment history. In the transactions area, you can filter and sort your payment history by date, product, or customer. Review the details of each transaction to find the information you need. By following these steps, you can easily access and review your payment history on Kajabi. If you have any further questions, consider checking Kajabi support resources for more assistance.